Hi, I'm Captain Mark Henderson with the Liquid Fire Fishing Team. If safe, efficient boat docking is important to you, the quick release fender lock from Taco Marine simplifies the process. Whether you're a seasoned captain or a casual weekend boater, we've all struggled with setting our fenders when docking for fuel, rafting, or pulling up to a waterfront restaurant. Its easy to install, one-handed operation makes it a must for the gunnels of your boat. Watch how we transform these frustrating tasks in less than 30 minutes using some basic hand tools in the comfort of our own driveway. All you need is a little help from a measuring tape, a cordless drill, a 1/8 drill bit, a 3/4 inch hole saw, an adjustable wrench to accommodate the 1 1/8 inch stainless steel nut, a 9/16 open-end wrench, and some marine sealant. The benefits to installing these are incredible. It allows you to set your fender length and forget it forever. Make your boating experience better with the quick release fender lock and other outstanding products from Taco Marine. Find them all at tacomarine.com.